Hey, what's up, guys? Today is February the 20th on a Friday. Happy Friday. So I'm out here in Tucker, Georgia. This is the residence of Mr. and Mrs. Wright. They actually found me on Google. She sent me pictures. It's a small area, just a kitchen area. 264 square feet, screen recoat UV cure. So let me show you guys what I'm going to be doing today. All right, guys, so I am in Tucker, Georgia. Beautiful home, beautiful neighborhood. I'm working by myself today. Tavares had to take the day off, but he'll be back with me tomorrow. So this is what I'm about to start, guys. This kitchen area, okay. And what Miss Wright told me, she said, Courtney, I mean, really the floors need to be fully sanded, but they didn't want to go through that right now. But I'm going to get one of my special techniques to get this floor looking a whole lot better. Okay, so just kind of walk with me. So we got some worn area right there. I'm going to go around this kitchen island, around these beautiful quartz countertops. Not too bad over here, but you can see most of the wear is all throughout here. All right, guys, so I'm going ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and hook up my vacuum system, and yeah, let's have some fun. Stay tuned.
Oh, DKs.
Yeah. Tucker, Georgia. When they research, they found me.
She found me online, typing in the search bar, reading every detail, knew exactly who we are. Didn't want to send it, didn't want to mess. Screen and record, told her I'm the best. UV cure shining, flaws looking flawless. Google made a call, now I'm search bar boss. Website heavy, breaking down the sign. Every step explained, building client reliance. She said these floors really need sanding, but she ain't want dust all through the landing. So I leveled up, pressure precise. More aggressive pass, but I did it nice. Color came back, service revived. One day system, watch it come alive. From the screen to the coat, technique strategic. UV locked in, shining, sight the pity. Online presence strong, credibility grown. When they Google the game, they see the throne. Turn it up, screen it, code it, lock it in. UV, Tucker GA, we restore the street. Screen it, code it, lock it in. UV, one day finish, now the floor on free. From search engine clicks to the hardwood grain, authority built that digital rain. They study the process, they see the proof. Then I pull up smooth and raise the roof. Tucker, Georgia, that's another win. Screen and recoat with the UV in. When they look me up, it's already done. Online strong, job well wanna. Screen it, code it, lock it in. UV, screen it, code it, lock it in. UV.
That's gonna do it. I must say these floors definitely came out a little better than I expected, especially the wear areas. And the floors look amazing. I always measure, you know the 1 through 10. I'm definitely gonna give these a 7.5. 8. You still got a little wear around the high traffic areas, but again, you only can do so much with the screen. But overall, guys, these floors look so much better, and even my client agrees. So that's gonna wrap it up for today. Tomorrow we have a screen and recoat. She was actually the first person that called me off of my new wrap. And we're gonna do her floors tomorrow. And how you think it looks, Miss Wright?
It looks wonderful.
Thank you. And we're gonna be doing her countertops. So, all right, guys. Thanks again for watching. Red oak floors, screen, recoat, UV cure. Nice set and finish. See you in the next one.